Good morning, traders. David with Alexander Trade and Investment Group. We have about 4 minutes until cash open. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And if I am honest, I'm not 100% sure where to go today. Part of me, a big part of me feels that uh, to sell the market, sell IWM, but I'm not 100% convinced yet. We are at the extreme low of yesterday. Current POC looks like it went down to about 57 from 241.65, and we're struggling to stay above that. So 57, I'm gonna change that. 57. Looks like value high has dropped from 242.47 to 242.08. So the thought of selling is still there. What did I say? I'm sorry, 242.08. I just don't know if I want to do it right away at open. What I didn't do, what I should go back and do right now since I have time, I just thought about I didn't do it. Uh, where was business done last? We see business in this general area, 241. 241, where are we at? I don't have anything queued up. 241.39 is where we are right now. The last time we did business in that area is actually where we bought. We actually bought from there. So that's right at the extreme low. So we are testing that stream. I still like to sell. I think we may buy up first. Um, but I still like to sell. We also got some news that Trump wants to enforce tariffs on our allies or one of our allies, and that is a concern for the marketplace. Value low has actually dropped as well. It went from 241.02 to now 240.90. I think I'm gonna be patient on this one because I don't have a clear direction. I want to say 240. Let's see. I want to say 241 puts potentially. Oh, we got 30 seconds left. 241 puts, I'm gonna add in there. And maybe even 42s. But either way, I don't think I'm gonna do right at open. So I'm just not feeling it 100%. VIX is very low at 14, so 241 got it queued up, but it's not something I think I'm gonna play right away. Unless I see something happening, I'm gonna wait. So with that being said, we got five, four, and maybe a bounce to the upside. One opening now. It's a lot of buyers in this candle. Yeah. Figure we may hold value. Yeah, I don't have and it looks like, yep, we are selling. I could have got that. I just don't have a clear I don't have a clear hold on it today. I'm gonna be patient though and see if anything sticks out. Yeah, that 241 would have definitely been it. I don't remember what the price was at open, but I would have been it. Yep, that would have been it. Value was definitely dropping. So the open is here. Yeah, that definitely would have been it. That is that would have been quick and easy. 40s. I'm gonna add the 40s just in case. 41s and the 40s. See, there's no volume here, but we're coming to that daily value low or current value low. And I could have pulled the trigger on that one too. Yeah, I don't have a clear read on it today. And that would have worked out beautifully too. Yep. Yep. Missed that opportunity. So I had a feeling we were going to sell. Everything was showing me that, but just couldn't really wrap my mind around it. And right now, I don't want to jump at anything and be chasing. So let's see if there is a second opportunity. We do have some reports are coming out. We do have consumer confidence and home sales. They may give us some clues on continuation or not. So I'm not gonna completely give up on today, even though I feel like I may have missed the opportunity. Like aggressive buyers were met with passive sellers for sure. It's 210,000 buyers, 2011. I'm sorry, 210, 205 now, with 812 in volume. Yeah, I don't want to chase. I'm just gonna wait till tomorrow. I may not. Tomorrow's Christmas, Thanksgiving Eve. I may not even play tomorrow, but let's see. Trying to see if there's another opportunity. Because again, they can't put in all their orders at once. So business was definitely done here. I want to see if there's more business. Dropped the value low of yesterday, the entire day. Value low is continuing to drop. POC is now here. So let's just read it in real time and see if we can catch an opportunity. If not, then it's one of those days where we don't play it. I did feel like the sell was there, but not 100% confident in it. All right, so here is again 241.11 was the low of yesterday. 241 puts are looking good, but I feel like again we'd be chasing it if we was to do it now. A million buyers, a million in volume, I should say. 229,000 and sells. I want to see us coming to back into value and maybe reject it. That would be a potential for an opportunity. The 240s, 241, maybe 240s. 241s is expensive. No, I'm sorry. The 241s is about $90. 240s are looking decent. So if we come back into it, we're starting to see businesses being done again. So let's be patient and see what happened there. Yeah, coming back into roughly 241 to 241.20 to 241.16 roughly. Again, business is being done here. 241.29 is the high. All right, 241 puts are looking a little bit more affordable, but we're still seeing what this potentially could be going into this area and dropping. So yeah, 241.10. See, we're going back into the current POC. It's dropped a little bit. So there's no volume there. 241s are looking really good. May try that. Not yet, though. All right. There's a lot of buyers. 25,000, 190 in volume. What did I say that number was? 10? Oh, 1? Oh, no, no, no. Okay. POC is here, and we're dropping the POC. Starting to see a possible opportunity. 241 puts are about $80 per contract. Price is starting to fail. 84. All right. I entered 241 puts at 84. It is now 90. Well, 80. It was 80. Okay, 90. Back to 90. So if I can sell half, okay, just sold my first half, moving my stop to 87. So I entered at 84 per contract, sold at 94, 75% of it at 94. I moved my stop from 84 to 87, only because I normally do like two, so it would be 86. But because I got caught in slippage yesterday, I had to eat some more of that commission yesterday. I'm gonna move it up another cent. So I got my first 75%, so I'm cool with that. If I can get 104 to make it a full day, a full 20 cent, that'd be awesome. If not, it'll be another day and a half. So right now my stop is at 87. It is now 90, 90. Uh, so right now it's just icing on the cake right now. If I can get more, it looks like I may get stopped out again on my 25%. Yeah, yep. That should be it right there. That's it. Yeah, so again, another half day. And it's gonna is if it gonna do me again like it did me yesterday, where it stopped my other half, but then kept going. Yeah, yeah. Again, guys, I protect the money that I make. I do not play around with it. Let's see. All right, make sure I have no working orders. So entered 241 puts at 84 cents per contract. Yeah, it's gonna look like it's gonna probably give the full potentially. 84 cents per contract, sold at 95. So I got an extra cent on my 75%. And then and they did me dirty again. I had it I had my stop at 87 and they stopped me out at 86. So I got an extra cent on my 75 and then they took it away on my last 25%. So all good. Walked away with with 1750, $1,750 for the day. Not bad for just half a goal. So 2 days in a row. Today's Tuesday, so yesterday was half a goal. Today again was half a goal. Um, Tomorrow is Thanksgiving Eve, so I may not play tomorrow. I don't think I will at all, actually. Um, just because it's holiday and I think I want to give myself an eye break. And then come back into it probably Monday. So today probably be my last day of this week of trading. So not bad. 2 days, half a goal, and look like, yeah, if I didn't move my stop up, because even if I moved it to 86, it still would have stopped me out. So look, yeah, it's at $1 now. Yep, that would have been it. $1.06. That would have been full goal, and I got half today. But again, I'm very, very serious in protecting the money that I make. One of the emotions of trading that was very hard for me to get over. Like losing money is a bad feeling no matter how much you lose. But the worst feeling than that was making money and then losing it, turning a green day into a red day. So to avoid those feelings, I just take half and I move my stop to protect that. So no matter what, I've made money today and I can walk away and be happy. All right, so just to recap, um, I wasn't 100% on today. What I did feel real comfortable was to sell. We talked about that at the open, before the open. We talked about um what I was comfortable with, but I can't say I was 100% on it. And I couldn't really get a good read on exactly where to enter the market. If I was to middle, so the middle chart is my daily profile. Right now, I have it on extended hours because I want to see what the future market is going to do or is doing before cash open. So I'm going to change it back to regular hours so you can get an overall of what happened during cash, right? So for the past couple of days, we have increased in value. This is IWM. We increased yesterday all the way up to 244s, damn near hitting it, almost hitting the 245s. Didn't quite get there, but damn near hit it, right? But you can see as we increasing in value from this day, which is the 24th, we increased in value. So the area between value high and value low is the value of that day, right? So we increased in value, but we also increased in price. Opened here roughly 232.05, closed here roughly 234.50, 56. So not only did we increase in value, but we increased in prices. Again, on the 22nd, last Friday, we increased in value and increased in prices. Here, yesterday, the 25th, we increased in value. Obviously, there was a gap up out of balance to the upside, but we also almost decreased in price. Technically, we increased in value, right? I mean, price 241.38, and we went up to 234, 230, sorry, 242.39, but we went as high as 244. So that was a big drop, right? We increased in value, technically increased in price, but from where price went to where it ended up, that's a big decrease, a big indication that prices were a little too high for market participants, right? So that could be a clue, right? And then we open up today well below value of yesterday, well below the close, and right at the open, damn near. That's another clue of selling. So I had the thought of selling. I felt good about it. Well, I say felt good. I felt the direction was to sell. Wasn't 100% on it. So then when I go from regular to extended hours, you can see for the entire day of yesterday, we actually fell, right? We extended in value, but price actually fell. And so that's another clue to me. I think I was getting hung up on the weekly of the 11th through the 15th extreme and the POC and I don't play the POC, I play the extremes. So just trying to get the understanding of the extremes. Technically, I should have Actually, I did play it right. Now that I'm thinking about it, we came up to the extreme low of yesterday, so that was playing the extreme. So doing it without even consciously thinking about it, didn't feel too great about it, but I did know that whatever I was gonna play, whatever I was gonna look at, I wanted to look for the fade. I couldn't find any reasons to prove myself wrong on why we would buy. And then on top of that too, I don't know if you guys saw that Trump is planning on enforcing tariffs on Canada, China, and I forget the other country, which is going to have a negative impact on our economy. Of course, those tariffs are going to get passed down to us, the consumers, which means we're going to pay higher prices on all kinds of items, right? Housing, cars, etc. Which is funny because he won because of Biden administration. Under Biden administration, prices has gone up, and he vowed to lower prices. And here we go with tariffs that can bring prices even higher than the. I'm gonna get away from political stuff, but so that was my thought. And I guess yeah, again, I'm just reading the receipts in real time. I see that prices are going up. There's no interest here. Again, they did business here, and that was the initial drop. So I felt like I missed this one. I didn't want to chase it because I felt if I did chase it, I would have got stopped out. So I waited, and again, not playing the extremes. Or what I do was I play the extremes, coming up to the daily value low or daily extreme low, seeing that fade again. Again, prices going up, no interest, no interest in the bigger players. I should say you got interest. You got what right here in this between this price point, 5,600, this price point 8,500. So you have people playing. There's always going to be buyers and sellers happening. But what you want to pay attention to is the volume in which these price points are being traded. As you all know, being in the market for however long you've been in, only the bigger players, the institutions, the banks, the hedge funds, some prop firms, they are the ones that move the market. They can hide their orders through iceberg and this, that, and the third, but they can never hide volume, right? So knowing that volume means that the bigger players are putting in orders, that should tell you a story. And then in these price points, there's no bigger player putting in orders here. So why, this is the small fish, right? You're trying to follow the big fish. The big fish are here, here, here. Little fish are here, right? You're not trying to, little fish aren't moving the market. Little fish is not going to take you to the money. It's the bigger players. So that was that. Hopefully that explained. I'm still not 100%, feeling a little icky. So I think even more so, I probably won't. This probably be the last day I trade this week, just so I can rest up. All right, guys. But as always, that's the end. I hope you guys find value in my videos. As always, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave a comment, whether on here or on my other social medias, Instagram, Facebook. I will respond. A lot of my people who I know personally, my mentees and people I went to school with, I worked with, they all have my personal, so don't hesitate to text me. I love talking about trading. It's one of the few things that I can have a long conversation about and enjoy it. So until next time, guys, probably next Tuesday. I'll see y'all then. Have a great holiday. Enjoy your family. Be safe. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.